Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can publish a post in someone's feed or Facebook page. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. Next, you need to go to the menu section. Friends. Your friends. And that will take you to your friends list. And in order to post to one of them on their page, you'll need to find the person you want to post to, or you can search for them by typing in their name. Once you get to the person's page, scroll down a little bit, and you'll find Add a Post here. Click on it. Next, you can write some text here. You can also add pictures. You can also add music, for example. You can add mentions. You can add geolocation and so on. Let's say you want to add a photo. You select it. Then you click Continue. And now, in order to just publish this post, you'll need to click in the top right corner, Publish. And so, in just a few seconds, this post will be published. You can update that person's feed. As you can see, the post I created has just been published. Friends, I really hope this video helped you, and you saw how you can publish a post to someone's Facebook feed. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.